Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 1.5 question number 4. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. Here we are representing the root over 9.3 on the number 9. First of all, take a line. We have taken a line, this line, right? Now first take OB 9.3 centimeter with the help of a scale. First of all, we take a scale and we have taken 9.3 unit. Here you see, if we take a centimeter, then we are getting this is 9.3, exactly 9.3. This B, we draw OB 9.3, right? After that, we are getting 1 unit B to C. Here you see that B to C. B to C is 1 unit, C to D is 2 unit, and C to 3 is 3 unit. That is right. Let us take this as C. This is D is 2 unit, C D, and D to F is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. B to C 1 unit, C to D 1 unit, and D to this point is 1 unit, 3 unit. But this is not F. D E, this point is F. This point is not F, right? This is third, 1 unit and 2 unit, right? Now whatever we do, take BC 1 unit. Now this line OC, bisect this line with the help of a compass. Here we have taken a compass. We are just showing how we have done it. We have taken a compass and make and bisect this line. How we bisect this line? Here we have taken this pointed here and more than half. We have taken a radius more than half and we draw this. We bisect this line, right? Here you see this one. From this pointer we draw this one. From this point we got this value. Right? We make this bisector. Here you see we bisect this line OC and we got the point D here. This point, the middle point, right? Now with the help of this middle point D, we make a semicircle. This as the center and this as the radius. Here you see, we have taken this as the radius and made a semicircle. Here you see, we made a semicircle. Yes, this is the semicircle. Right? Now BC is 1 unit. Right? Here you see, BC is 1 unit. Right? And now if we draw, BC is 1 unit. Now at B, make a perpendicular on the point B. For perpendicular, we take a radius like this. We cut at 60 degree. From here again is 120 degree. From here it is cut this arc. From here with this arc. That means this is 90 degree, right? We draw the line B to E, right? Making 90 degree at the point B, right? And now this BE, B is the root over of root 9.3. The distance of BE or the length of BE is root over 9.3. Again, what you have taken? We take this line. Here you see, we take this measurement. We take this measurement. We take this measurement. We take this measurement BE, B and E. We take this measurement or length BE. We take this measurement BE and draw this arc, and it meets at the point F, right? At the point F. That means we are getting BF as BF is this point is F, B to F, this point, there are 3 point something, BF, B, F, and that is equal to root over 9.3, root over 9, BF, this point, right? You're getting more than 3, that means it is 3 point something, more than 3, right? Here is it 1, 2, this is 1 unit, here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 0, this is B is 0, then 1, this is 2, and this point is 3, right? That means we are getting the F point means 3 point something, right? 3 point something, BF is equal to 3 point something, and this BF represent root over 9.3. Again we are explaining how we have done it. First of all, take a line OB 9.3 unit, right? And take BC as 1 unit, right? And now OC, take OC this line and bisect this line OC. We are bisecting this line OC to meet the point at D. From point D, we make a semicircle. At the point D, this is the point D, make a semicircle here, right? And at point B, make a right angle here in the arc, this one, this one. Here from here we are cutting this one, and from here we are cutting this one. We make a 90 degree at the point B. That this length, that is BE, B is root over 9.3, right? And with this length BE, take an arc to meet the point at F. That means B is equal to BF. Here we see that BE is equal to BF. That BE is equal to BF is equal to root over 9.3. Now let us explain why this length BE or BF is root over 9.3. For that we have to make a line, this line, right? Let us draw a line here. Let us draw a line here. We are drawing a line here. Let us draw a line here. With the help of this scale, we are taking the we are making the hypotenuse. We are making the hypotenuse. Here we are making this hypotenuse. Now this is the hypotenuse. Right? Now this is the hypotenuse. Now in triangle, here you see, in triangle DBE, in triangle DBE, in triangle DBE, in triangle DBE, we are getting that DC is equal to DC is equal to DE, right? DC equal to DE, DC and is equal to DE because they are radius, both are radius. D is equal to DC. Now the value of dB. Now let us take the value. Let the x is equal to root over 9.3. X equal to 9.3. 9.3. Right? Now here, from here to here, this value is x, and this BC is 1. Therefore, we will get the point DC as x plus 1 by 2. DC is equal to D is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Again, here you see this value, this DC is equal to D because both are radius of this circle, right? Now we find the value of DC. Here we have taken BOB root 9.3, that is x, that is equal to x, or x equal to 9.3. X equal to 9.3. And this is BC as 1 unit. That means it is the value x plus 1 by 2, that is this is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now, if we take this dB value, dB, we will take dB, dB, dB is total is x, x, total is x, from here to here x, that is x minus 1 by 2. The total value is, this is x. If we subtract minus 1 here by 2, we will get the value of dB, right? Now we have to find this BE. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write that BE, this is perpendicular, therefore BE square, BE square is equal to, BE square is equal to this hypotenuse D square, DE square minus D square minus DB square, DB square. What is the value of D? The value of D or DC is same as x plus 1 by 2. That is x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, right? That means we are getting x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 by 4 plus 1, and this is minus x square minus 2x plus 1 by 4. We are getting, here you see x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 2x minus 1 by 4, right? Then we are getting that x square will cut, right? And plus 1 minus 1 will cut. Then we are getting 4x by 4, 4x by 4 are getting equal to value of x, or therefore BE is equal to root over of x. That means we have taken the value of x as 9.3, root over 9.3. That means BE is equal to 9.3, and hence BF is also root over 9.3, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.